Ready to unlock some serious savings on your next Coursera course? Let's dive right into how to redeem those coupon codes. First things first, head over to Coursera again, either log into your existing account or create a new one if you're new to the platform. Once you're logged in, browse the extensive course catalog and select the course you're interested in enrolling and click on the course title to view its details. On the course details page, look for the Enroll button, usually located near the top of the page. Click on it to proceed to the payment options. You'll now be presented with the different payment options. Locate the Apply Coupon or Redeem Coupon link or button. It's usually near the payment summary. Click on that link and carefully enter your coupon code into the provided text field. Double check for any typos. Accuracy is key here. After entering the code, click Apply or Redeem. You should now see the discount reflected in your order summary, clearly showing the reduced price. If you encounter an error message, double check the code for any mistakes and ensure that the coupon is still valid and applies to the specific course you've selected. Some coupons have course restrictions. If the discount applies successfully, proceed to complete your purchase using your preferred payment method. Congratulations, you just saved money on your Coursera course. Now, get learning.